Have you ever wondered why medieval doctors dressed like birds? Back in the Middle Ages, doctors faced the deadly plague. Their distinctive outfit was more than just a costume. It included a beak-like mask filled with herbs. They believed these herbs purified the air. Long boots protected them from infection on the ground. Their iconic look aimed to guard against bad air. Though the science was flawed, their intent was pure. A commemorative copper plate for the Black Death engraved in the port of Weymouth, England. The Black Death was introduced into England through this port in 1348. The disease kills 30 to 50% of all people.